Well, good morning. This is the long day of a teacher. It is now 6:02 a.m. as I wait for the first train. This is the view from my local station. And here comes my morning train pulling in so I can get on for a short 4-minute ride. Trains are pretty convenient in Japan. They're pretty much always on time. Well, that was pretty easy. So this will just be a very short ride. Many people are sleeping. As you can see, people are always in a hurry to catch the train. I think I have about 2 minutes to catch this train, so actually I better get moving. Oh, 6:12. Oh, gotta go now. Dash! I barely made that. Well, I get to take this train for about 30 minutes from my town down to the big city. The sun is just coming out. My 30-minute ride is just about over, so now I can get off the train and battle the crowds with everybody else. Welcome to Nagoya Station. This is Japan's 4th largest city, and it is about 6:30 a.m. So many people have already started their commute. So my plan this morning is, because I'm traveling tonight to another part of Japan, because I have a presentation tomorrow, I have to get rid of my bag. I'm going to use one of these coin lockers. So I'll see if I can show you how this works. They are actually really convenient. So I believe these coin lockers are in most train stations in Japan, and if you look up here, they're multilingual. So I can just push English.
Please select the action you wish to perform.
Oh, please select your action. I want to put in my bag. So it says, put in your baggage into an empty locker and pull down the locking lever. Please follow the actions indicated on the screen. Okay, I think I can do that. I don't need a big locker, so I guess I can just use this one right here. And this is a good sized locker, and I can just put my bag in here. Hold on a second, I gotta put my bag in here. Put my bag in the locker, and then I just press this lock down, which I did. Alrighty.
画面の内容に従って預け入れ操作を行ってください。
Ooh, it's telling me in Japanese, but yes, that's my number, 248. Correct. So, I want to use my IC card here, which is
IC カードをタッ
wonderful.
チしてお支
All I
払
do
い
is
く
I
ださ
have
い。
this IC card, put it here.
ご利用証明書を発行します。
Boom.
ご利用証明書をお
Cost
取
me
りください。
400 yen,
ご利用
which
証
in
明
US...
書をお取りく
Okay,
ださ
I
い。
can take that. Which is only about, I guess about $3.50.
ご利用ありがとうご
Pretty
ざい
handy.
ます。
And now it'll keep my stuff in my locker for about, well, I think 24 hours, but I'll be back later this afternoon. So now I just have my ticket, and I can come back later today and go to my locker and take my bag out and then catch the train, which is just down the hall down here. Very convenient.